Okay. This is not a good position. Hold on.
No crosswind here on 3-1, short final. John 30, clear out.
The traffic that has 18 Delta is about 4 miles. We're getting set up for a straight in 3-1. Asteroid.
Rock's coming right down the runway on 3-1 right now.
That's the Coast Guard helicopter, Astoria, Oregon, Coast Guard station. He said something about he taxied off into the wrong area. No, I don't know. It's like, well, then taxi out of the wrong area, you know? His identification is helicopter 11 if he comes on.
And Vanessa full pump mic, we're clear of the active.
You can hear the, I don't know what they call them today, there's the Unicom. Looks like he's shutting down. Crazy. Maybe there is a hangar over there, I don't know. Anyway. These guys, it's not, they don't even have a tower here, for God's sakes. I learned how to fly in Southern California where there was a tower and there'd be 8 planes in the pattern at once. Do you see your tower, 6-7 Juliet? Or do you see your traffic? I mean, this is like nothing, folks.
The traffic for 3-1, what's your position?
Bonanza 18 Delta is about 2 nautical out for final 3-1. You're good to go.
No, we'll wait. We're going to take our time here. So, you see you're going to be touching.
He shut down.
Negative. We're doing a full stop.
A couple of guys came and they didn't talk to me. I'm glad they didn't, because I really don't want to talk to them. They had some kind, I think they just had a cell phone. Yeah, it's like, okay, what they're up to here is they're going to tow. They're going to tow it in. And when they do, we'll let you see it. That seems to show up pretty good, doesn't it? Almost the last quarter moon. And the bright star you see underneath it is Jupiter.